Hi guys, my name is Chandan and I'm back with the last video in the series Importance of Patents for Students and Universities. In the previous video, we learned how a patent can be filed in the Indian Patent Office. Today, we will be talking about what are the costs of filing a patent or getting a patent and how the student and the universities can monetize from their patents. Let's first talk about the costs. There are majorly two types of costs that are involved, where the first one is related to the cost paid to the patent analysts and patent agents or attorneys. This includes first one is performing a novelty search, which is optional and may cost at least 10,000 rupees. The second one is drafting of the patent, where you get your invention written in a defined format. This may range from 15,000 to 35,000 rupees, and this cost is not optional. It is always recommended so that the invention gets drafted in a proper format. The second element of the cost includes the government fees that is paid to the Indian Patent Office. For submitting a patent application in the IPO, the cost may range between 30,000 to 50,000 rupees. And these majorly include four costs. The first one is cost of filing, which is around 1,600 rupees for a startup or a university. And the second one is the request for examination, which is close to 4,000 rupees. Third one is optional, which is an early publication request, which ranges from 2,500 rupees to 12,500 rupees. And the final is the response to examination reports, which ranges from 6,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. So in total, the cost may go up to 90,000 rupees or let's say 1 lakh rupees for getting a single patent. A student or university must have at least this budget for getting one patent. Now that we have talked about the costs, let's talk about how the universities and the students can make money from the patents. Many universities file patents so that they can build their portfolio and create an innovation index. An important reason is to get a patent an important reason to get a patent is to get it implemented in the market and boost the innovation in the industry. In our opinion, there are primarily two ways to monetize a patent: licensing and litigation. Although the universities are more focused on applied research, they focus lesser on translating that to the market. Licensing is the most common and highly recommended strategy for monetization. This is where we scout for the companies that want to implement an invention in the product and market them. For example, if the university has a patent on a novel pharmaceutical compound or a product, companies like Sun Pharma, Pfizer, Novartis, like big companies may want to license that technology, and they may want to manufacture it into a product and make profit from it. So more importantly, the universities can enter into a long-term partnership with such companies where they can mutually contribute towards research and innovation. If we look at the history, the universities in the United States have fetched millions of dollars in patent licensing agreements with more than 60% of ROI. For example, Stanford earned $41 million in 2018 from just the research, where seven patents cost more than $1 million. Now, a different situation is where a company may be already selling a product based on a process whose patent is owned by the university without taking any consent from the university. We can scout for such companies, prove their infringement, and are, and we can set up and we can see whether those companies would want to partner and would want to license the patent. If the company agrees to get a license, good, but if not, the patent owner has the right to legally sue those companies. Now, seasoned IP professionals, such as the ones at Copperpod, have helped many to achieve that and to pursue such matters and make the most out of monetization opportunities. In India, the government has they allocated 1 lakh crore rupees in 2019 for all research and development work. To our surprise, the number of patent filings were just 55,000 as opposed to 14 lakh in China and 6.2 lakh in the United States. It's time that we think of converting such an amount into revenue using the less traveled road of innovation and patenting. Now, I would end this video with the best of luck to all the students out there. I hope that these videos were informative enough to guide you onto the right approach. Let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Wishing you all and all the best and the best in health. Thank you.